Hello and welcome to our live news. My name is Blessing Ogwo. The news headlines. Federal government seeks fresh $300 million health security loan from World Bank. NDDC awards shore protection jobs for 2 Itsekiri Riverine communities. Governor of Delta State of Riverine unveils N275 bn landmark projects to transform Delta. The news in detail. The federal government of Nigeria has engaged the World Bank to secure a $300 million loan aimed at enhancing the nation's health security infrastructure. The proposed funding, currently under review, is expected to be executed by the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NDDC, with the Federal Ministry of Finance acting as the official borrower on behalf of the government. According to the World Bank's disclosure, the initiative is designed to enhance regional collaboration and strengthen the country's medical system capabilities in preventing, detecting, and responding to health emergencies. The project is upon approval, and following necessary assessments, the World Bank Board is expected to approve the request on July 30, 2025. While appraisal is scheduled for April 14, 2025, its full implementation will commence in the 2026 fiscal year. The World Bank emphasized that the loan will expand molecular laboratory capacity, upgrade primary medical care centers, establish emergency operations centers, and construct warehouses for medical supplies. Additional project components include deploying mobile laboratories and installing essential water sanitation and hygiene facilities. The Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) has awarded shoreline protection contracts to safeguard the Itsekiri Riverine Communities of Ogeher in Warri North Local Government Area and Aja Udaibo in Warri South Local Government Area, both located in Delta State. Comrade Twayo Ofoyekwone, a chieftain of the All Progressives Congress in Warri South, commended NDDC Managing Director Dr. Samuel Obuku for initiating these critical projects. He emphasized that shoreline protection is vital for protecting these communities from ocean surges that have continually ravaged them. Ofoyekwone also noted that work on the projects is expected to commence before the end of May 2025. Governor Sheriff Oborevori of Delta State has approved over N275 bn for 76 projects aimed at transforming the state. The approval was made during the Executive Council meeting at Government House in Asaba. The projects span various sectors across the state's 3 senatorial districts, including infrastructure, construction of roads such as Uragbesa Oria Abraka Road and Amia Aragba Road, development of Faculty B at the Southern Delta University, Orerokwe Campus Education, remodeling of the Warri City Stadium, sports, establishment of the specialist hospital at Osibi, including a public laboratory and psychiatric clinic, health, and under the urban development, construction of internal roads in various communities. The Commissioner for Works, Rural Road and Public Information, Mr. Charles Aniagwu, highlighted that these projects are funded with a 40% mobilization fee, reflecting the state's financial stability. Oborevori emphasized that these initiatives align with his administration's commitment to improving the living conditions of Deltans and positioning the state as a leader in development. However, the New Delta Coalition (NDC) has criticized the approval, saying these developments underscore the ongoing efforts and debates surrounding the governance and development strategies in Delta State. The National Security Advisor NSA Malam Nuhu Ribadu handed over 59 rescued kidnapping victims to the Kaduna State government in a ceremony held in Abuja. The victims, comprising 28 women, 24 men, and 6 children, were abducted from various parts of Kaduna State and rescued by a joint operation of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, the Niger Police Force, and other security agencies. The rescue operation targeted areas along the Abuja-Kaduna Highway, particularly the Rijana community. Some victims had been in captivity for over 4 months before their release. The Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Olufemi Oluyede, represented by Major General Gold Chibisi, commended the Kaduna State government for its cooperation with federal security agencies, highlighting the successful collaboration in the rescue mission. The NSA reaffirmed the federal government's commitment to rescuing other victims still in captivity and restoring peace and security across the country. Veteran Nigerian singer and activist Charlie Boy led the vibrant road trip carnival in Lagos, bringing together motorcycle enthusiasts and fans for a day of music culture and community engagement. The event featured a parade of bikers through key areas of Lagos, culminating in a gathering at a central location where Charlie Boy performed and interacted with attendees. The carnival aimed to promote unity and celebrate the rich cultural heritage of Nigeria with Charlie Boy, emphasizing the importance of community and self-expression. Participants expressed their enthusiasm for the event, highlighting the positive impact of such gatherings in fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose. This road trip carnival marks another chapter in Charlie Boy's ongoing efforts to engage with fans and promote cultural activities across Nigeria. And on the foreign scene, the European Union (EU) has extended its congratulations to Angolan President João Lourenço on his election as the new chairperson of the African Union (AU). This announcement was made by the European External Action Service (EEAS). In addition to President Lourenço, the EU congratulated Mahmoud Ali Yusuf, the newly elected chairperson of the African Union Commission, and Selma Malika Haddadi, the new deputy chairperson. The EU emphasized that 2025 marks the 25th anniversary of the mutually beneficial partnership between the EU and Africa, underscoring Africa as a geopolitical priority for the EU. The EU reaffirmed its commitment to continuing strong political dialogue and action with the African Union. These elections took place during the 38th ordinary sessions of the Assembly of Heads of State and Government, held in Addis Ababa from February 15 to 16, 2025. Both President Lourenço and Chairperson Yusuf secured the required two-thirds majority votes from the 49 member states eligible to vote. Notably, 6 AU member states were under sanctions and were, therefore, ineligible to vote. Thank you for listening. This is Alive News. My name is Blessing Ogwo.